Yes, come on.
Proper fraction, improper fraction, mixed
Ma'am,
fraction.
unitary fractions and
Unitary fraction.
Okay, mute
Ma'am,
yourself.
can I tell?
Yes, please mute yourself. And Ishan, what are the different types of fractions? Actually,
Ma'am,
we'll go with what is fraction first, then types of
fractions.
fractions.
A fraction is a part of a
fractions,
whole,
proper
ma'am.
fraction.
Exactly. What are different types
Uh,
of fractions?
there are proper fractions and improper fractions.
Yes, in that we have,
Ma'am, like fractions, unlike fractions, unit fractions, improper fractions, proper fraction.
yes, yes, Aditi. Basically, how many types of fractions, Aditi?
Um,
Types of fractions.
Yes, fractions.
Yeah,
Fraction
proper
is a part
fraction,
of
improper
whole.
fraction.
proper
Proper,
fraction, like
improper,
fractions,
improper, sorry.
unlike improper, mixed
Basically, how many types of fractions you have? Basically, yes, fraction is a part of
Ma'am,
whole. It
five.
is in the form
five,
of,
ma'am.
yes,
Five.
it is in the form of numerator divided by denominator. Denominator shows total number. Denominator shows a total, and numerator shows favorable. Yes, yes,
Ma'am, there are 6 types of fraction, ma'am.
yes. Basically, how many types of fractions? First, basic types.
Ma'am, proper fraction.
No, basic are like and unlike. Only two we have. Like and unlike.
Unlike.
Yeah. What
Like
is
and
like?
unlike fractions.
Yeah.
But we
What?
mostly say that the denominator is same
Denominator
or not.
should be same.
Yes. Types of
Denominator
Mostly
should
say
be
that
same.
the denominator will be same or not.
yes. In types of fraction, basic part we will check with the like and unlike. Like means denominators are same. DR means
Unlike
denominators
means
are same.
Ma'am,
denominator are not.
it's
Same.
with same denominator.
Examples, you're supposed to give your example. Atiti, please give
1
some
by 4,
examples.
2 by 4,
2
3
by
by
8 and
Yes,
4 by 8.
4,
1
8
by
by
6,
4.
2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, so on.
8 by 7.
8 by 7,
Yes.
5 by
9 by
7,
7.
Even
etc.
11 by 7, 12 by 7, anything. What are unlike fractions?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
denominator
unlike
should be not
fractions are
be
not
Unlike
same.
same
fractions,
denominator.
even the denominators are not same. They are unlike.
Ma'am,
Denominators are
denominator
different.
should be not
Right.
same.
Right. Denominators are different. Denominators are different.
Not different.
Different.
Now, different denominators. Please, can you tell different denominators?
Ma'am, 2 by
4 by
3, 4
2,
2 by
by
3, 5
7
by
by
7,
7
5,
by
5 by 6
1,
4 by 6,
5
or
by 9, 10 by
11 by
3.
9, etc.
and
Uh,
5 by 10.
Yes. See, these are the basic two types. So from these basic types, we have some many subtypes. So
yes.
here we are only based on denominator. Based on denominator, we are checking. By comparing numerator and denominator, once again we have subgroups. What are those subgroups? Proper and improper. What is proper fraction?
Proper means
Ma'am,
numerator
proper.
should be less than denominator.
Yes, what is
The
proper fraction?
numerator
Should
Proper
be less
fraction
Ma'am,
than
means
denominator.
numerator is
proper
less
less
than
than the
denominator.
denominator.
than
Denominator.
denominator, and improper fraction is denominator is
Numerator should be bigger than denominator.
Man, numerator will be greater than denominator.
Yes, please, Srishti, mute yourself. Children, please mute yourself. Examples. Numerator is small 1 by 3,
I'm 2 by
4 by
8.
5,
I'm 2 by 8.
4
2
by
by
2 by
8.
8,
7 by
etc.
10.
5
7 by
by
10.
30.
Just a minute, children. Okay. What is improper? The name it seems improper.
Numerator should
then
be
the
big than
numerator is
denominator.
bigger than the
Numerator should
Big
be
denominator.
than
greater than the
denominator.
denominator.
Ma'am, the numerator is proper fraction.
Numerator is greater than denominator.
Just a minute, children. Just a minute.
spell that, ma'am? I'm copying that.
Ma'am, we can't see screen.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
First,
Ma'am, we
all
can
of
see
you
the
mute your mic.
screen.
First, all of you mute your mic, or else I'll mute all. Right. Please mute your mic. A lot of disturbance. I don't know from whom they're unmuting and making.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Like when I joined the meeting, my speaker was on mute and I did not notice it.
Okay. Please immediately mute yourself. Happened to my pen. Suddenly, my pen is not working.
Ma'am, you're writing on the paint.
Just a minute, ma. Something the pen is not writing here.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am. You just wrote I, ma'am.
T.
Again, tomorrow we have class.
Yes, tomorrow, as usual, rational numbers class we have.
Ma'am, when is again extra class?
Again, extra class I'll put in the message, Nana, so that you can join, because whenever I'm getting time.
Ma'am, when we will have integers?
Hmm?
Yeah, when we will have integers, ma'am?
Ma'am, we want
Ma'am,
to.
you're
writing, ma'am.
Please mute
Chapter
the mic.
also, ma'am, please.
Ma'am, you're writing.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing, ma'am. You just wrote T on it. T or I.
Children, the pen is suddenly not working. That's why I'm trying my pen once again. I opened and I just, yeah.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it
you
is
can
coming.
reload the
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am, it is coming now.
Improper
fraction.
fraction.
improper. Ma'am, means the
Ma'am,
numerator
numerator
should
is
be
bigger
greater
than
than
the
denominator.
Improper
Numerator
is
should be greater than the
greater than the
denominator.
denominator.
Okay. If you shout like that, I won't teach anything, children. Yes, put a chart box. If you have
Ma'am,
any
you
idea,
asked
put in the
every
chart box.
one by one, ma'am.
You put in the chart box. Numerator is greater. So examples, we can write it as many examples.
Ma'am, 10 by
Numerator
5.
is greater than denominator.
7.
Yes, 7 by
6 by 1. 6 by 1.
6 by 2 or 6 by 4 or 6 by
7 by 3. 7 by 3.
yes, the
8 by 4.
numerator should take then greater than denominator. So improper, the name it seems improper. It's not a proper. It's not a proper. So that improper can be always written as mixed numbers. Mixed numbers. How are we supposed to write improper numbers as mixed numbers?
Ma'am, in the form of Q or by D, ma'am. In the
Why
form of
do
Yes, ma'am.
Q or
Just
in the
reminder.
form of Q or D.
Your
Ma'am, when we got an improper fraction, we have to do the mixed fraction. Then only it is correct. Otherwise, it is not correct.
Yes, improper fractions we can express as mixed numbers. So how
Ma'am,
we
we can
supposed to express? Please listen first. Listen first. How we supposed to express as mixed numbers means by doing division. Suppose here I wrote many examples. I need to convert these as mixed numbers means I should do division. So I'm doing here. 3
Ma'am,
ones are
it's 1 by 2.
2. So this
First one
part,
is 1
whatever
by
the
2.
quotient. Quotient is nothing but a whole number. Quotient is nothing but whole part. And the remainder is nothing but numerator. Remainder is nothing but numerator. Divisor is nothing but denominator. Divisor is nothing but denominator. So now we supposed to express this quotient the whole part first, then remainder.
Ma'am, can I? 1 by 2.
Ma'am, 1 by 2.
Yeah, this way we can convert the same number, mixed number. If you want to convert as improper fractions, you can do. How you supposed to do? Quotient multiplied with remainder.
First we have to.
Ma'am, we need
2
to
into 1.
subtract 2 and 1, and then we need to add 1 plus 1.
Quotient multiplied with remainder.
Ma'am, quotient
Then you have to add up numerator. Yes, Sahit, are you there, Sahit? Sahit. Sahit.
And denominator is multiplied with whole number and whole number is added with numerator.
Sahit, please respond if you are there in the classroom.
Ma'am, I am in the classroom.
Sahit, I want just 7 by 3. 7 by 3 I supposed to convert into mixed number. What is the mixed number for 7 by 3?
Ma'am, can I?
No, Srushti, this is for the students who are really
1 by
need support.
Ma'am, can I?
No, Ritvik. No, Ritvik.
Ma'am, I
Just-
messaged you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's 2 1 by 3.
Yes, it's 2 1 by 3. Very good. By doing division, you are getting whole part as a quotient as 2, remainder as 1. So 2 1 by 3, same divisor. Very good. So this is the basic part what you are learning in your previous classes. I think 4th or 5th or whatever the classes you are learning. Now we will go with another type of fractions or unit fractions. What are unit fractions, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, unit fraction is mean by the fraction which has numerator as 1.
And numerator as 1, and fractions that have numerator as 1.
Numerator as 1. It is called unit fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3.
1
by 4, 1 by 5.
Don't shout, children. Don't shout. Always mute your mic. 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 3, 1 by 5. You see all the examples. Numerator part is same as 1. So here unit fraction means numerator should be equal to 1 unit. Unit means 1, children. Numerator should be equal to 1. Such a fraction we call it as unit fractions. See, children, there is one small important thing I need to share in this part. In this, suppose if all numerators are same, suppose you see 3 by 7, 3 by 9, 3 by 11, 3 by 4, 3 by whatever the number in the
The greater the denominator, the smaller the fraction.
Yes, yes. You see here. This if I want to compare which is greater, which is smaller, means very simple technique, children. Which denominator is smaller, that is the greater fraction. Which denominator is smaller here?
3 by 4.
3 by 4. All the numerators are same, so we can count or we can.
We can just normally count the numerator.
Exactly.
Ma'am, can I tell why? Ma'am, can I tell why?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, for example, suppose we take a cake, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, so, ma'am, I take 3 by 4 and 3 by 11, ma'am, for example.
Okay.
Ma'am, so, if I cut one cake into 11 parts and one cake into 4 parts.
Same cake. Same cake.
Yes, ma'am. Same size of cake into like there are two cakes with same size.
Yes. Yes.
I cut one of the cake into 11 parts and one of the cake into 4 parts.
Yes.
So if I distribute 3 parts from each of the cake to my friends,
Okay.
then ma'am, then 3 by like the 3 parts of the cake which is cut into 4 will be larger because
Yes.
like it is only cut into 4 parts.
Exactly.
So-
Exactly.
And we get larger piece, ma'am.
So it will be a larger piece.
Exactly. If you compare these 3 by 4th and 3 by 11th, so 3 by 11 is smaller than 3 by.
Ma'am, that's because you're cutting the cake in this example into more parts. The bigger the denominator is.
Exactly. Many.
So more parts equals smaller portion.
Exactly. Because ఒక తెలుగులో ఒక సామెత ఉంది నాన్న, మంది ఎక్కువైతే మజ్జిగ పలసన అంటే ఎక్కువ నంబర్ యూ సీ మెనీ పీపుల్ యూ ఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ ఓన్లీ పీపుల్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ 4 people for coming for your birthday party, but unfortunately they are coming 11 children are coming, your friends are coming 11 children for your birthday party. When you are getting cake, if 4 children are coming, you are getting more cake, or 11 children are coming, then you are getting more cake. It's the best.
11 children are coming, we'll get more cake.
No, ma'am. When we four. No, ma'am. Because if 11 friends will come, it will be equally divided. because of 11 parts, if 4 friends will come, we will get more than 11.
Here only 4 students they came. Only 4 pieces I cut. The same cake, if 11 children are coming, I am cut it into many pieces. Here, I think more than 11 or 12 or any number more. You suppose I am not going to cut equally, but suppose you have to cut it as equally. Suppose which piece is greater? This part is greater or this part is greater?
Ma'am,
3 by
this
4 is
4
greater
by 4
than
is
3 by 11.
Yeah, now you understand. Now you understand. If you cut into more pieces, what happened? You understand, children?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, if 3 by 4 is there, even one piece will be remain.
Exactly. This is general thinking. Generally you're supposed to think this is very basic part. If all numerators are same, which denominator is smaller, that is the greater fraction. You have to keep this point in the memory. And suppose if all denominators are same, denominators are same, which numerator
We will
is
get equal parts.
which numerator is greater? That is, suppose you check in the second example, children. Here,
Ma'am, 4 by
denominator is
7.
same.
Ma'am, 4 by 7.
Ma'am, 4 by 7 is big. After 3 by 7 is big.
Ma'am, 4 by 7 is big.
After 1 by 7 is big.
Yes, now you understand, children. Quite reverse this
Yes,
way.
ma'am.
Ma'am, because the denominators are same.
This concept also they will test frequently in your competitive examinations, children. Please take care about this. That's all. And the next topic: how to get equivalent fractions. How to get equivalent fractions, children? Please mute
Ma'am,
your
we should
mic.
Ma'am, we should divide one fraction.
Vallabha, please answer. Vallabha. Yes, Vallabha, are you there?
Ma'am.
How to get equivalent fractions? How to get equivalent fractions? How to check whether the given fractions are equivalent fractions?
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, Ritik. Vallabha.
Ma'am, can I say?
Just a minute, ma'am. Sahit.
Yes, ma'am.
See here, Sahit, I want to get the numerator, I don't know. I need this is nothing but equivalent fraction because 5 can be denominator, raise it to 30. Raise it means increase it to 30. That means what?
Ma'am, 12 by 30.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, see.
Ma'am, the numerator will be 12 as we multiply 5 into
Ma'am,
6.
we can
So
multiply and divide also, ma'am. We cannot add or
Yes.
subtract.
In this case, I multiplied. So I'm getting one equivalent fraction. Suppose 12 by 30 I'm taking. 12 by 30 I'm taking. My numerator I know as 2. Denominator I supposed to find out. So here numerator is reduced. Reduced means you have to do division, children.
Ma'am, it's going to be 2 by 5.
we should divide it by 6.
Divided by 6.
Ma'am, we need to divide
Ma'am,
by
30 divided by 6 is 5.
Divide by 6, ma'am.
Yes.
It will
So
come
how
out
we are getting equivalent fractions? By multiplying numerator and denominator with
Ma'am, when it will be decreased, we should do division. When it will increase, we should do multiplication.
by multiplying or dividing
Yes. Multiplying and dividing.
Yes, numerator and denominator with the same number.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. In equivalent fraction, if we have 2 digits and it have improper fraction, so we can do cross multiplication also, no, ma'am?
Yes, one example. This is suppose you are asking about whether these two are equivalent. Check whether the given fractions are equivalent or not. Suppose 3 by 5. 11 by 7. Check these two fractions are equivalent or not. Check
Ma'am, we
the,
can cross multiply or we can simplify, but 11 and 7 are prime.
yes, you can do cross multiplication. 7 3s are 21, 11 5s are 55. So 55 is greater, so that this fraction is greater. You can compare like that. Or else you can make as a like fractions. You can make as a like fractions, then you have to compare.
Ma'am, it's 35.
Yes, so it's 35, LCM is 35. To make as first fraction 35, denominator 35, you have to multiply the first fraction with 7. So you can multiply both numbers with 7, numerator and denominator. Same way, 11 divided by 7, 7 should make as 35, means you're supposed to multiply with 5. So here you have to check that 3 sevens are 21 by 35. Here 11 fives are 55 by 35. So that if you compare denominators are same, means just now I said which numerator is greater, that is the greater fraction. So corresponding 55 by 35 is which fraction? Corresponding fraction. It's 11 by 7. It's the greater one. You can check like that both whether given fractions are equivalent or not. Like that also you can supposed to check. This is the way. Not only two fractions, you can compare. You can compare many fractions also by making as like fractions, and you can compare. Or suppose children in the examination, the question is given like that: 3 by 5, 4 by 11, 15 by 7, and 90. Sorry, 9 by some 19, and 11 by 13. Which is the, can you arrange these fractions? This definitely they will test for test in your competitive examinations. They will give for the more than 4 or 5 fractions you need to compare. In this case, you have only 30 seconds time. 30 seconds time. By seeing your question, you will how you're supposed to do this with children. Only within 30 seconds time. Yes, any one of you in your class will do this 30 seconds time. Anyone, please let me know. Can you do this bit in 30 seconds, children?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Can you do
Ma'am,
this bit
what
in
do
30
we need
seconds?
to do?
Yeah, you're supposed to compare this. Compare the fractions or arrange in ascending order, or arrange the fractions in ascending order, anything, or descending order within 30 seconds. So who will do within 30 seconds? Please fix your time and do within how much time you are taking to compare this. Come on, quick.
Okay, ma'am.
Last year, one of the competitive examination, more than these bigger fractions they gave. Denominators are too bigger, but they gave 1 minute time and they're asking to compare.
Ma'am, I think I have the answer.
Ritvik, you can try with cross multiplication also, but you can try like that.
Is this correct, ma'am? 15 over 7, 11 over, I'm going from greatest to smallest. 15
Okay.
over 7.
Anything. Greatest is descending order. Come on, please tell descending order. Come on, quick.
Descending order, okay, ma'am.
Very
15 over 7.
Yes. Wonderful.
11 over 13.
13.
3 over 5.
3 over 5.
9 over 19.
9 over 19.
4 over 11.
Yes. What you did is, I think.
Ma'am, actually, I didn't use any of the like cross multiplication. I just looked at the numbers and estimated.
Exactly. You are just
I just estimated.
you are estimating, not exact. Srusti?
Ma'am, can I say ascending order?
Yes, yes, ascending order. Shiva Pranav. Don't estimate exact answer I want. Shiva Pranav. This is Amar. Amar is giving this answer. Ishan or Ishan is giving this one. Yes, ascending order by who is giving ascending order? This is quite reverse. What is ascending order?
Is 4.
I want within 30 seconds, or you take 1 minute time also, children. Because you are younger children, you can take 1 minute time and they are photo.
Ma'am, we can take cross multiplication also.
Your wish, you can try like that also.
Cross multiplication means it is.
Yes, come on, children. Please check whether your answers are correct or not. Mute your mic.
3 by 5, 4 by 11.
Sai Kartikeya.
And we should write in ascending order. Huh?